And in this section, we want to get acquainted with the general environment of PowerPoint. When you run the PowerPoint, you face with such an overview and you see that PowerPoint is made with some parts and different menus, which there are a number of comments inside each that can do some tasks. In general, we are going to see what components and menus the PowerPoint environment consists of. There is a menu here at the top of left side, which is called Quick Access Toolbar, which consists of all the practical comments like saving, slideshow, create a new document, and undo option. And if you want to add new comments to these and delete one existing comment, the only thing you should do is clicking on this arrow. After opening the menu, if you see check next to each item, it means that the item is already existed in this menu. And if you want to add or delete comments in this menu, as an example, if you want to delete the new option, one click on that comment will be enough and it won't be shown on the menu. And if you want to add one comment to this menu which does not exist here, you should click on More Comments option. After clicking on More Comments, the window will be opened for you, which consists of two menus. Each existing comment on the right side will be shown on Quick Access Toolbar. And on the left side, you can see the complete list of PowerPoint comments. And from choose comments, you can see the different comments of PowerPoint software in different categories. For example, comments related for Zoom, related comments to 3D models, which is added to 2019 version, related comments for Insert tab, Home tab, or if you want to see all comments, click on All Comments. An interesting thing here is comments not in the ribbon, which means the comments do not exist in these ribbons, but they exist in PowerPoint. And you can use them, and here is a long list of comments that you can choose each one you want and click on Add. By clicking on Add, this comment will be transferred from the left side menu to the right side one, and it also will be added to Quick Access Toolbar. And if you do not need this comment, you can simply click on Remove, and when you click on Remove, the comment will transfer from right side menu to the left side menu, and finally you can click on OK. Now another option which exists here, you can change the place of menu and take it to the bottom of this place, which is above slides and under the ribbons. For doing this, click on Show below the ribbon. Another part that I need to explain from the top of PowerPoint software is this option, Ribbon Display Options. First, let me tell you that what ribbon is. Different comments of PowerPoint software is located in different ribbons. This place is called ribbon. For example, Home ribbon, that is in fact Home tab, which has some parts that contain some comments. Insert tab, that has some parts that contain some comments. And if you want to change the display of these ribbons, for example, maybe while you are working, you may need some more space, you can click on this option and use three exist options. For example, if you click on Auto Hide Ribbon, your working page will be like this. And if you need comments from the ribbon, you can just click on the top of the software and these ribbons will be shown for you. But if you want that tabs and the title of ribbons be shown for you like this, you can use Show tab. And the default mode is the third option, Show tabs and comments. Both it shows tabs and comments of ribbons. I click on the third option to display tabs and ribbons like this. In order not to miss our next videos, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell. Thanks for accompanying me on this video. Bye bye. And finally, on the left side, you can see the list of slides. Now I open another file which has more slides and has concepts which made teaching easier. On the left side, you can have all your slides. In fact, you can manage your slides, you can add a new slide, and you can choose a slide and delete it. And each slide you choose here, this slide information can be shown in this part, which is bigger. And now you can choose each part and start editing, and then in this part at the bottom of the software, in the slide number part, you can see the slides of your file and which is active from the total slides. And here you can see the language of your slide, which is English or another. And there is another section called Note. If you once click on Note and open the window of Note for yourself, you can write note for yourself in each slide. And this note can just be shown for you when you are presenting, and you can write this note to guide you. And if you are thinking of an issue for presenting each slide, it can be written in the note part. And when you are presenting, is shown for you, not the audience. And there is another section called Comments. When do comments come in handy? When you are working in a group with a co-worker or your friend, and if you need to change one part of PowerPoint, if you have any comments on each slide of PowerPoint, you can write your comments, and if your friend or co-worker opens the file of PowerPoint, can see the comments and does the correction. If you click on new, the window of writing comments will open for you, and you can write your comments and ideas for your friends, and click on enter to save. And if you want to delete it, click on the cross. And if you write comments, such an icon will be shown for you in each slide that have comments. And if you click on this icon, you can see and read the list of comments and ideas and apply them. In next section, the display mode of your PowerPoint slides. The first is the normal mode, like this. The next mode is a slide sorter that displays all the slides in this way and gives you an overview of your slides, and slides are shown in a smaller size. And then there is a reading view. In the reading view model, the animation and transition that you apply in your slide will be shown. And the options are like slideshow, and this mode is used in presentation to audience. And for exiting from this mode, press the escape key in your keyboard, or you can have a right click and choose intro. And for getting to slideshow, you can click on F5 in your keyboard. Another tool that exists here is Zoom tool. That by the help of this tool, you can zoom on a specific part and design in an easy way. And this zoom does not mean enlarging the size of slide. It helps you to do your design easily. When you want to the zoom of your slide become normal, you can click on this icon 2 times, that the slide size be fixed and standard. And for zooming on a specific object which has selected, hold Control on the keyboard. And if you go forward by mouse wheel, it will be zoom in. And if you turn back the mouse wheel, it will be zoom out. And in fact, if there is a selected object on the screen, this zoom will occur better on the object. And flow, these were different parts of PowerPoint that I explained for you. And in the following, we will refer to the different design that exists in the PowerPoint PowerPoint program and examine the different comments that exist in each tab one by one and move forward.